In the world of generative visual AI, is there a tool to rule them all? Not quite. But don't worry, we're about to dive deep into this magical realm. Let's mix, match, and create some stunning visuals. Hey there, if you're new to Cocoy AI, I'm Tiffany, and this is a place where I champion AI's role in amplifying creative people's ideas and believe that with AI, creative minds can swiftly transform the world with profound impact. First up, Insight Face. This AI face swapping tool is nifty for photorealism. Check this out. That's me on Margot Robbie's body. Funny, right? It's pretty ridiculous, but great for Halloween inspiration. Here's another with me as Wednesday Addams. What do you think? Between Barbie or Wednesday, what should I be for Halloween? Leave a comment below. Last time I showed you how to add Midjourney bot to your own Discord server. If you haven't done that yet, you can check out this video. Insight Face is similar. Click on the Insight Face link in my description and add it to your own Discord server. Now you have access to Insight Face bot. I'll use my face as an example. You would save an ID. You do that by uploading any image and saving it here. After that, you're able to apply whatever face you've uploaded into any Midjourney image, like this. I created these two Wonder Women in Midjourney, one for a more graphical style and one that is more photorealistic. How you would change this image with INswap is you go to your three dots, scroll to Apps, and click INswapper. It will automatically apply your face to that image. So here's my results. As you can see, it's still pretty photorealistic rather than the graphical style of the rest of the image, but maybe it will get better over time. On the photorealistic version, it does a great job. Just look at those highlights on the face. It looks like I'm right in the scene of Wonder Woman. Amazing. You can also upload another photo and have it swap faces using the swap ID command. You put it in, click on any image, upload, add the name, and just like that, you'll have something like this. It's quite a project. And speaking of projects, this is where I'm at with my book. It's been a journey, but we're getting closer to the finish line. And I can't wait to share the final piece with all of you. If you want to give me direct feedback in this Google Slide doc, join my Patreon and I'll add you to it right away. And as you can see, I found a way to add roller skates to the image. Up next is Photoshop's generative AI. Alrighty, let's get rolling, literally. Our character here is looking good, but you know what they need? Some roller skates. Skates, check. But oh, knee pads? Not quite the look we're going for today. With Photoshop's Remove tool, unwanted elements will be history in a jiffy. Now that's better. It's like using an eraser, but on steroids. One of the sweetest features is the ability to re-roll as many times as you want. Experiment till your heart's content. But a heads up, fellow designers, starting in November, Adobe will charge by credits for AI-generated work, so make the most of it while you can. Generative AI is a game changer, but remember, it's not about finding the one tool, it's about mastering many. Dive in, experiment, and create your masterpiece. Whether you're a design enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who's just curious, you're in the right place. If you found this video useful, consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in and keep creating.